bought the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 when it first came out, and I went with the basic kit because I already had a lot of camera gear at home, and I didn't care for all the extra accessories that came in the creator combo. Like first off, the microphone. The DJI Mic 2 is an awesome mic, but I already have a lot of microphones here at home, and I figured when the full set of the DJI Mic 2 actually came out that I was going to get that anyway, so I didn't need this microphone at the time. And then the other accessories like the mini tripod and the battery handle, I already have a bunch of mini tripods here at home. The one I've been using mostly is the one here from Ulanzi. And as for the battery handle, I've been using this instead. I have this power bank here from Anker, and I actually think this works better than the battery handle. Like I just plug this into the back, and it doesn't make it all extra long like the battery handle does from the Pocket. Now the wide angle lens is probably the only accessory I really wanted from the creator combo. That was until my buddy Gene let me borrow the DJI Mic 2 when we were in Japan, and then I realized I needed that microphone sooner than I wanted. So yeah, let's break down how much I've actually spent. First off, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, this comes in at $519 for the basic kit. And then I bought a single DJI Mic 2 transmitter, here it is, and this was $99. Next was that wide angle lens, this was $49. And even though I already had these accessories, I'm still gonna say that the mini tripod that I've been using is $9, and the power bank that I've been using is $24. So overall, I spent basically $700. And even if you don't take into account the power bank and the mini tripod that I already own, I still spent $667. The creator combo cost $669, so I saved a whole $2. Now if I just got the creator combo in the first place, even though I said I didn't really care for it in my original video, I could have had the carrying bag, the battery handle, and the mini tripod basically for free. So yeah, I regret not getting the creator combo right from the start. Now, do I regret getting the basic kit? Definitely not. I use this thing almost every day. I've taken it on vacations, I use it at home to film my dog, and I've even used it to film a few YouTube videos. So I'm glad I at least had the Osmo Pocket 3 because it's honestly all you really need to start making videos. But yeah, the basic kit's still gonna be good enough for some people. But for me, even though I had a bunch of camera gear already at home, I basically could have saved some money if I just spent more money in the beginning, if that makes sense. Alright, I'm gonna head out so I can capture some of these tears with the Osmo Pocket 3. See you.